are producing kayak and canoe paddles mainly for Olympic athletes. So we would like to have the best efficient paddle, which gives athletes the opportunity to paddle them faster.
Technical sports required a lot of innovation. A lot of times these innovations are going through an iterative process which requires a lot of prototyping. They have to see how it works, they have to use it in real life. Bracho approached us to speed up their innovation process, and with our two-directional 3D printing capabilities we are able to print easily the shapes they require.
A Duplex technológiával egy komplett pár lapátot egy munkanap alatt ki tudunk nyomtatni, ami második nap tesztelhető a vízen. Ez eddigi technológiánkkal nagyjából olyan 3 hónapot vett igénybe.
MAP stands for multidimensional additive production, which basically is the concept of building one object from 2 dimensions at the same time. I believe our technology is really capable of helping companies to build their products or parts which was never been able to be printed before, thus fastening their development processes.
The Duplex Corporation, it's very good opportunity. The guys are very creative, they are very helpful, and I think it will be a very good future cooperation between our companies. I hope we can reduce the time of the developing process and we can try some crazy ideas too.